Welcome to MYFUNDBOX. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to easily update your payment method in just a few simple steps. First, log into your MYFUNDBOX account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Customers section from the menu. Use the filter option to search for the customer you want to update. Click on the customer ID to open their customer portal. In the portal, click on My Plans. On the right side, you'll see the current payment method. Click on the Edit button. Select your preferred payment method and click Update. That's it. You've successfully updated the payment method in MYFUNDBOX.